found the Wendy's. Hey. Alright, so here we have the Smart C's. Jesus Christ. That doesn't look healthy. But now obviously these are stupid little cars, but I can't help but notice that it looks like it's already been in an accident. It looks like it smashed into something and flattened itself. Oh shit, is that a convertible roof? Okay, 1 point for the smart cars. Because, no it's not. Why the fuck do they have cloth roofs? Alright, I'm still gonna give them a point for the cloth roof because I think that's cool. But now I'm confused as hell as why it has a cloth fucking roof if it's not a convertible. Does it? Yeah, it's definitely not a convertible. Why the fuck does it have a cloth roof? This one's... That's fucking weird. Although two-tone paint. I only just noticed that they were two-tone paint, all three of them. Is it a manual? No, this is a weird fucking gear knob right there, and it's stitched like a baseball. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at the adorable little tachometer! That's so cute! Look at that adorable little thing. That is adorable. That is the cutest little tachometer on the cutest little car. Do they all have that? Ooh, police traceable. Oh my god, that is adorable. That is an adorable little tachometer. Ooh. These ones must be up better models. They got rims on them. Look at how tiny those fucking brakes are. What the fuck? Is that supposed to be a drum brake? That's a drum brake. This is a fucking new ass car to have shit ass brakes. Oh, they're rear engined? I did not realize that.